Hey guys, so today I have got this month's Bubbas Meltys box to show you. So if you haven't seen me open one of these before, it is a UK box and it's £20. You get 6 full-sized clamshell wax melts in here, and you also get some other little tiny bits too. So I think you get like an art print and some sweets and like little bits like that. So like I said, this is the July box. She also does separate items, so she does shower things, she does candles, loads of other stuff. So she has sent me an extra little item to show you as well. So I've got this little envelope, and in here we have her business card, a little note as well, which is very cute, and this card which says anxiety on it, and it tells you all about anxiety. So I'm assuming maybe that is sort of the theme for this month's box. And this is her business card. I will put all of the information down below in case anyone wants to go and check her out, but that's like her Instagram and stuff. And if you haven't heard of Bubbas Meltys before, she's a big advocate for like mental health and disabilities and stuff like that. So a lot of her products are very themed around those things. So the item that she sent me, which isn't in the box, is a little shower fluff whipped soap in the scent Rainbow Drops. Now I got the Rainbow Drops wax melt. I think it was like a little tester one last time she sent me some stuff, and it was in my burner and it smelled absolutely amazing. It made the kitchen smell so good. So this is a shower version, and hopefully you can see it back here. It's like a really bright pastel-y neon pink, blue and yellow. I absolutely love it, and this smells incredible. I've not opened the box yet, but I did smell this just because it was like out in the open and I couldn't resist. It literally smells like just pure fruity sweet amazingness. I absolutely wish I could eat it. If I could get a spoon and eat this, I would. It smells amazing, and it looks like it's going to be so nice to use as well, like really soft and squidgy. So that is the Rainbow Drops shower fluff that she sent me as a little extra, which is really cute. And then we'll get to our subscription box. So we've got a cute little pastel-y neon bow up here. It matches this, so I'm not sure if they're kind of related. But like I said, this is the July box. So we are going to open this and see what is in here. So this is what it looks like. Right on top, we've got our little leaflet that tells you all about the scent profiles of each of the things. I will keep that just to tell you as I go along. We've got some little sweeties, and we've got 2 little testers as well. So I'm assuming that these are both little mini wax melts. We've got Hell's Fire and we've got Poison Apple. So I am going to smell these because I'm interested. So this one is the Poison Apple one. It looks like a tiny little mini apple, which is cute. Oh, okay, I was expecting more fruity from this one. That's a very Halloween-y scent, I would say. Kind of spicy, like cinnamony, kind of apple pie sort of scented for that one. So that is our little Poison Apple. And then we have Hell's Fire. Now I feel like I can smell this one from here, and I don't think that this one is going to be for me because it is so strong. Not my kind of scent. This, if you like sitting around like a bonfire or a barbecue and you like the really strong smell of just pure smoke, I would honestly say that that's what this is. It literally smells like burning wood. I know that some people love that smell of bonfires, like when you come home and your clothes just stink of smoke. I know some people love that, so you would love this. I personally am not one of those people, so I will be passing that along to someone else. But it looks very pretty though. It's got yellow and red little speckles on the top. So that is Hell's Fire. If anyone likes a bonfire smell, that's for you. And then we have our little creepy art print and it's called Summerween, and it's like a pumpkin but a watermelon, which is very cute. I don't like watermelon scents, but I love eating watermelon, which I feel like is quite weird. Very creepy. Love him. Little pumpkin watermelon guy. And then this is what our 6 wax melts look like for July. So we have Summerween, Midsummers Night, Freak Show, Sea Siren, Precious Thyme, and gonna need a bigger wax burner. So we'll start just from the top and go along with Summerween. So this one is a green colour with a white top. And where's my little card gone? Summerween, what's that one supposed to be? Fresh and cool fragrance with fruity notes of watermelon, tropical fruits and grape, with sea breezes and notes of creamy cool coconut to produce a real feeling of summer. So like I said, I don't love watermelon, but I do love grape and coconut and stuff like that. I don't get a mass amount of watermelon from this. Like it says, it is just a very summery, fresh scent. Quite beachy, I would say. Yeah, kind of smells like a sun creamy, like warm summer day, fruity kind of smell. I really like that one actually. I feel like that one would be a nice, just fresh, everyday sort of smell. So that one is Summerween. Then next we have Midsummers Night, which has a creepy little, like fairy looking kind of girl on the front. And this one is a really dark grey with a little splatter on the top. And this one is a provocatively masculine scent, mysterious and powerful, energizing, fresh, fougere, I'm not sure what that actually says, enhanced by lime, lavender and jasmine with hints of spruce, panaga and violet on a bed of moss. I'm pretty sure that's what that says. So this one is a more masculine scent apparently. Definitely is. I used to have something that smelled just like this, and it really kind of brings back that memory for me. But yeah, this one is a very, very, very masculine smell. Not for me, that one, not my favourite, but obviously there's got to be lots of different ones for different people. So that is Midsummer's Night. Next we have Freak Show, and it has this little carnival kind of picture on the front here. So Freak Show is supposed to be the scent of spring flowers, patchouli and white cedar. So for Freak Show I was expecting more like candy floss, I'm not gonna lie. Spring flowers sounds cute though. Don't love patchouli. I feel like this one might be quite masculine again, but we'll have a see. It's a very mossy colour with a little yellow stripe. Oh, I prefer it much more than I was expecting. A lot sweeter than I was expecting. I thought it was going to be musky because of the patchouli, but I'm not getting that a lot. Very, very floral, very fresh. Again, this one would make a really nice like laundry detergent. I would definitely buy this. Yeah, really like that one. That one again is just a very like summery, fresh kind of floral one. So that one is Freak Show. Then we have Sea Siren, and again this one has a creepy little mermaidy picture on the front. Sea Siren is supposed to be an aquatic floral accord with top notes of sea salt, cucumber, lilac, a hint of wild mint and mandarin, leading to middle notes of peony, water lily and amaryllis, resting on a base of blue cedar and floral musk. I am bad at reading these. I don't know what some of these things are, like amaryllis, I'm not gonna lie, but we're just gonna smell what Sea Siren smells like. This one is a super pretty turquoise colour with a dark blue on the top. This one smells like I was expecting, very like sea salty, I would say. I don't hate it though, it just reminds me a little bit of shower gel, this one. Again, not massively for me. I am a really like fruity, sweet, sugary, marshmallow and candy floss kind of scented person. Even all of my perfumes, I get like really childish, sweet scented ones. I don't like more grown up, like proper perfumes. So these ones are not my favorite, but I do like the very fresh ones. So Freak Show and Summerween have been my favorite so far. Next we have Precious Thyme. So this one's got a little hourglass on the front and it's like a beigey kind of colour, like this. So oh, it actually says it's called Limited Time. It says Precious Thyme on the front, but then in here it says Limited Time. Berry sorbet with light hints of summer flowers on a background of soothing sandalwood and warm musk. Oh, I love this one. This one is really nice. This would make a really nice perfume, actually, just talking about perfumes. It's very Victoria's Secret or like Bath and Body Works, them kind of sprays. Really warm and sweet. Yeah, love that one. That one is definitely my favorite so far. So that one is either Precious Thyme or Limited Time. I'm not sure what, but that one is my favorite so far. And then we have the last one, which has a cute little shark with pigtails, and it's called Gonna Need a Bigger Wax Burner. This one is grey with little red blood splatter looking thing on the top. And this one is... oh, okay. So I was gonna say this one isn't on here, but it is, because in the lid of this one it says Sea Spray. So I'm assuming that that is the name of the wax smell, and then that is the scent of the wax smell. Okay, so this one is Sea Spray. It says top notes of mandarin, lemon, green leaf and violet are enhanced with lavender, ozonic florals and a background of sandal, cedar, amber, musk and patchouli. So again, I feel like it's going to be quite a masculine one. I love the cute little thing on the top though. Definitely a more masculine sort of scent. Quite musky. Reminds me a little bit of my dad, this one. Again, I don't hate it. It's very like fresh and a little floral, but it's not something that I would buy again. But I do love getting these boxes because you get to smell ones that you probably wouldn't choose. So yeah, I'll definitely use that one, but I probably wouldn't specifically buy it. And that was the 6th July Bubbas Meltys little wax melt. So I will go through them again and show you them all at once. So we had Midsummers Night. I think that this one is my least favourite. We had Siren. We had Gonna Need a Bigger Wax Burner. Freak Show. Summerween. And my favourite one, which is Precious Thyme. So we got those 6. And then we got the little art print, the little sweets, the poison apple and the hellspire little testers in there as well. So yeah, that was everything in the July Bubbas Meltys box. I absolutely loved it as always. I do like trying out different new ones that, like I said, I probably wouldn't just choose because they don't say that they're like candy floss and marshmallow. The Precious Thyme one is definitely my favourite. If that was a perfume, I would 100% get it. I also absolutely love this Rainbow Drops whipped soap. It's so pretty and it smells absolutely incredible. Again, she needs to make this edible because I would eat it. So yeah, I will put all of her information down below in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.